We are Group 5, and this is our process for modifying our material. We figured for step 1 we would do the drawing first, because there are indentations in the drawing, so we'd rather draw it and then do the piercing, as opposed to piercing structure and then drawing it. For step 2, we should pierce it, because we have to bend the material, and we'd rather bend it, or pierce it and then on the flat surface and then bending, which bending we chose as our third step of the process. Drawing should be easy since there's rounded edges in all the parts, and drawing round objects is beneficial and the easiest method of drawing, so we shouldn't run into any problems at that step. For piercing, we're going to do 3 runs so we can stagger the holes apart and not risk any fractures. And on the side holes, we would use a double beveled punch, because there's not much space on either side of those holes that we don't want to risk fracturing before we even have a chance to bend it. And after we have all of our holes in place, we would add relief notches to all 3 corners to reduce the chance of fracture during the bending process. And for the bending, it's a tight radius, so the material needs to be soft enough, and if it's soft enough, that's great. But if not, we will have to anneal it, because annealing it will increase its ductility. And the annealing process needs to be performed in an endothermic gas environment composed of carbon monoxide, hydrogen, and nitrogen gases. And this process we feel will be the most beneficial to modifying our product.